In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add sub-bullets in Notion. This is a simple way to organize your notes and create clear, structured lists. Let's get started. Open your Notion page and create a bulleted list by typing bulleted list and selecting bulleted list. You can also type a dash followed by a space to start a bullet. Type your first bullet point, then press enter to create another bullet. To turn the new bullet into a sub-bullet, press the tab key on your keyboard. The bullet will move underneath the previous one, creating a nested list. Keep pressing enter to add more sub-bullets at the same level. If you want to create another level of indentation, press tab again. If you need to move a sub-bullet back to the previous level, press shift plus tab. This removes one level of indentation. You can repeat this process to build organized outlines, meeting notes, project plans, or checklists with multiple levels of sub-bullets. That's how to add sub-bullets in Notion. Thanks for watching.